So you've got a bunch of real estate listings and you want to post them on social media and you want to ensure that they stand out so that they get noticed and you can help sell those properties faster. My name's Lowell Brown, I'm from Going Social. In this video, I'm going to talk about different ways that you can take that content you have for your different listings, share them on different style of posts or even Facebook and Instagram ads so that you can help promote those properties in a unique way multiple times and help to sell those properties faster. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is the different material you may have. So most of the time with properties that I see from realtors, when I'm doing this for different clients, they provide me sometimes with drone video of the property, both inside and outside. And then you've got those MLS different photos of the actual property inside and out as well. So there's a number of unique things that you can do. First of all, of course, you've got that video, you've got that drone footage. You can easily take that video and make it a post on different social platforms. It's quick and easy. Now, sometimes if the clip is too long, you may have to cut it and make it shorter. I usually try to recommend to clients that they make their clips anywhere from 30 seconds up to about 90 seconds. The reason is simple. People aren't necessarily always going to watch the full length of a clip, especially if it's 5 minutes. So making the clips shorter helps to ensure that people see most of it and they see it better. The other thing you can do is you can take the clip, you can cut different segments of the clip. So in the case of a longer drone footage, some people may not watch all the way to the end, which means that sometimes people are never seeing the end of that clip. So sometimes what I'll do is I will take snippets at different times of the drone footage and crop it together into a different kind of video. And we'll have some of the material from the end of the drone clip used for separate clips, or we'll just change away how it goes. And that way you're able to repurpose that video in a different way and it makes it look kind of unique. Now, if you don't have a drone footage, what do you do? Well, there's still ways you can make a video out of different photos that you have. And again, these social platforms love video. It will be something that's more interesting to people, and usually it can reach more people if it's video content. So sometimes what I recommend clients do is to use Canva and create a video slideshow or a slideshow that's converted to a video. Take those images, you can add text overlays if you need to, and I'll include a link below to a video where I'm demonstrating how to do this very thing. So check the comments below on this video and you'll see that link. But commonly what I do is I take those pictures, you can add movement through Canva with the images loading and moving, zooming in and out, and you can add text if there's certain things about the property that you want to highlight. So that's another example of something you can do. And again, you can produce multiple clips so that if you are promoting this property, again, sometimes properties are selling fast, sometimes the market's slower. So if you have to promote, let's say over a couple months, this way you can mix the photos up. You've got the same kind of template format and you can create a new video slideshow for different posts. Now that leads us to those photos. Now, what are other ways that you can use these photos and create unique, interesting, different posts? Well, I've seen some people who will make collages. So you can, do a collage and include 3 or 4 different pictures and maybe put, different information, the basics of the property on that one single photo. Some people will create the photos and put them into a carousel type ad or a post where there's multiple images. You've seen those in Instagram where you can, just slide to the left or right and you can go through those different images. So again, that's another way that you can share those content. And again, if you're doing the post over and over again, using different photos on different posts is a great way to do it. Put them in different orders, that kind of thing. So again, these are ways that you can take, one property and share it multiple ways in different ways so that it does look new and unique. It's not the same post that you're posting every time, because if you do post the same way every time, while some people will see it for the first time because they haven't seen your previous posts, it's also likely to get ignored because people will be like, oh, I've seen that before. The algorithm must just be showing me the post again. So always try to think of different ways that you can repurpose your content and show in a different way. Now here's a couple other unique ideas that you can try. I have had some clients where they will record a video with their own cell phone. Again, you don't have to do anything overly crazy, production value, that kind of thing, but you can be outside of the home, record a video of yourself, selfie style, and talk about the property. That's one way to do an intro or a sneak preview of a property that's coming up. Another thing I've seen people do is going live. You can go live on Facebook and Instagram, you can go live on YouTube, and you can do a walkthrough, a virtual open house of the property. And that's another great way to sometimes add a little interactivity if you want to do like an Instagram live where people can ask you questions right on the spot that you can answer. The reason why I like this style as well is because it's a unique, different take. Instead of just sharing photos of a property, here's a way that you can add your professionalism. You can walk through the property, highlight those things that may not be captured on the small photos or a drone footage, and you can highlight the things that may stand out to a potential buyer of the home, different features that are unique, that deserve a little more attention. So those are some ways that you can take a unique approach to promoting a property for real estate on your social media accounts. I hope these ideas helped you. Again, my name is Lowell Brown. I'm from Going Social. Be sure to check out the notes on this video below because I will include a couple clips. One is a video teaching you how to use Canva, just a beginner's guide to Canva. Another, I'll explain to you how to use, again, how to make that Canva slideshow with images into a video. And there'll be some other articles and tips below. So be sure to check out those on the comments below in the video description. And also be sure to like and subscribe this video. I hope it find value and I hope it was helpful for you. And again, if you subscribe, you'll get notified the next time I have a video available. Again, Lowell Brown from Going Social. Have a great day and have fun promoting your property listings.